Welcome to my channel. This is Richie Rains here and I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you some few hidden settings that will help your phone to run very fast. But before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to this channel, like the video, and you can also leave a comment under the comment section if you have anything to add. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. If you are watching this video, please subscribe to this channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified when new awesome videos like this are uploaded. So guys, I'm about to teach you some few hidden settings that will help your phone to run very fast. So make sure you don't miss any part of this video. So when you want your phone to run very fast, you go to your phone settings. In your phone settings, you then tap on network connection. Then you tap on SIM card and mobile network. After tapping on SIM cards and mobile network, it will bring you here. So what you have to do is tap on SIM slot 1. Then you tap on preferred network type. You can see it's currently being set to 3G or 2G or 6. So you have to set it to 4G, 3G or 2G or 6. Then you turn on enhanced 4G light mode. You then turn on roaming. You tap on OK to turn this on. So after doing this, you go back. Then you tap on SIM slot 2. Then you tap on preferred network type. Then you reset it to 4G, 3G or 2G. You then turn on roaming. Then you turn on enhanced 4G light mode. After performing these actions, you go back. Then you go to system. Then you scroll down till you see about phone. Then you tap on about phone. You then scroll down till you see build number. So what you have to do is to tap on build number till you see no need. You are already a developer. So after doing this, you can see your phone nowadays run faster than as it was previously. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. See you in the next video.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.